So step one, the first thing that we're going to do is create a sketch. And so a sketch is any two-dimensional figure that we create somewhere on this three-dimensional plane. And if we go to our skateboard deck and trucks, we'll see that the word sketch is up here in the top left. And it's nice because on the on-shaped thing here, we can click and zoom in on what they're doing and see what they're doing. They're clicking sketch and they're clicking on the top plane. So you'll see that the top plane here lights up after they click the word sketch. So we're going to go sketch and select the top plane. Okay. Shift S creates a new sketch. If you're into shortcuts and things like that, that's a great thing to do. And there are some differences when we're working with the sketch than when we're not. And so the default Part Studio, if we look at this, has these icons across the top, which we'll understand more what they do later. But when we're working with the sketch, you can see that these icons are different. And so sometimes we'll be working with a sketch, sometimes we're working with a default Part Studio. It just kind of depends on what we're trying to do. So I'm also going to include step 2 in this video. We're going to rotate it so that we are looking straight down, and the keyboard shortcut for that is going to be N. And so we could, with my mouse, right-click and rotate this around until I'm looking straight down. I could also click top right there. I can right-click and pull the image around over here, or I can press N and it will pull it to the top view for me, just like that. And so that's kind of how we're going to create a sketch. Select a build plane and then orient that so we're looking at the build plane the way that we want to be. And so again, I can hit N. You'll notice that that's kind of rotated sideways there. I can spin it. So I'm looking at it square away like that. And that's getting us set up to begin creating our skateboard.